So I found out that my brand new Dogtra collar won't work with my phone. I should have done a little more research. My phone's too old. So I've got her on her now just for a light so I can kind of see where she's at. She sounded off in the box like she wanted to go hunt, so I let her out. She's sniffing and smelling, but she ain't busted out yet. She's liking to stay close. Well, if nothing else, it's good for her to get out here in these woods, man. We'll start building a little confidence. I can see what I got to work on and what I don't.